What's up, guys? It's me here today, not Trinity and Madison yet. They'll be here in a second. I'm going to show you guys a little bit what Trinity and Madison don't know. So today's video, we were supposed to be doing an unboxing of Little Live Pets, the brand new ones. We got a dragon, we got the unicorn, plus we've got 4 brand new birds, you guys. Their wings light up. This dragon looks super rad. All right, so you guys, there's nothing in this box. Well, there is, but not what they think it is. So I'm gonna get the girls, we're gonna come in here, and I've got a little surprise in there. Let's go get them. Hey, what are you doing, little chunk?
Sitting.
You're sitting? Where's Mom?
They're right there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get them.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing over there in that tree, girl?
I'm trying to climb.
Climb on the tree. Hey, Trin, we gotta go do our video.
What's the video we're doing, Dad?
Come on in. It's a surprise. You too, Mom.
All right.
Come on in, girls.
Madison.
Wait, where did she go?
Where'd she go?
Where did
Open the door.
Oh, hey, you don't be going in there without us.
Wait
All right.
a second, lady.
Okay, you girls ready for your video?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Guys, do you want to watch me do the horse pose?
The unicorn pose? Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, yeah, that's a perfect little unicorn pose. Cutie. All right, girls. Are you ready to do this thing?
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
It's a dragon.
Dragon?
Unicorn.
Dragons and unicorns, guys. Dragons
And a bird.
and a bird.
Whoa. Yeah, Madison, go look.
Go look, did you see it?
There's 3 of them. Wait.
Wait.
1, 2.
There's 4.
Yeah, girl. All right.
Wow.
Should we get this thing opening? Okay. Wait, we gotta start right here. It says punch out. Okay, let's
Ready?
open it up.
Punch that out.
Open.
And then open. Whoa.
Oh, what's it gonna be in there? Oh,
What?
Where's our unicorn and dragon?
What in the world? There's empty. There's cookies.
What is that?
Cookies.
There's cookies though.
There's a unicorn.
it's not totally empty. There's
Beautiful.
unicorn cookies. What's that
It's
other
beautiful.
cookie? Open those up. Let's see what
cloud.
this thing is.
A cloud. Oh
I
my
don't know
goodness.
what it actually is.
Okay.
Oh man.
Hold
Mom, can I
on.
get a cookie? Can I have that
Wow.
one?
Wait.
That's
Wait.
adorable.
Oh my goodness.
So this is kind of like a rainbow cloud. Like
It's
a
a
cloud
rainbow
with
cloud.
a rainbow.
I want this one.
Wow.
Oh my
gosh. Madison's already digging into it.
There's sugar
Whoa.
cookies. There's sugar cookies.
Wait, guys.
cookies.
Before we eat those cookies, let's show them our new Little Live Pets, okay?
Nothing.
What is that thing, Madison?
I don't know. I have pictures of keys.
What?
Let me press one of them.
You're gonna push one? Okay. All right, guys, so this is a key finder. I got this a long time ago. We were planning on doing like hide and seek with it or something else, but we never got to it until now. We were unpacking in our new house. And so I decided that I'm gonna take the 4 toys that were in this box and I put each one of them on a key.
Yep.
So each key, they push it, plays a sound, and they can find the new toys.
Yeah.
Are you ready,
So I
Madison?
clicked red, so we have to go find the red.
Okay, you hold it for the red, okay? You want the red?
I hold it for the next one.
Okay. Madison, press it.
Hold it in. I hear it. It's
Okay,
really close.
go find it, Madison.
It is.
I heard
I
it.
think it's straight. Maybe.
Where is it at, Madison?
Straight.
Let's try
Maybe
it.
straight.
Come on, where are you gonna find it?
Help her out, Trin.
Toys are so big.
Okay.
Hey, that curtain.
Wait, listen.
What in the world?
Oh my gosh! Not again! It's a bird! Let's keep
Oh my
this
goodness.
nearby.
Should we open that thing up or should we wait for the end?
Wait, let's open it.
You wanna open it?
Guys, let's open it. Boom. Guys, I got my bird. Wait, she has
Whoa.
translucent wings. I don't know what she does. I think she glows in the dark.
What in the world?
What's your name, little iPad? Let me push your button.
My name is Heartbeams, and I'm one of the newest Little Live Pet birdies. My name is Heartbeams, and I'm one of the newest Little Live Pet birdies.
Madison, it's Heartbeams.
Aw, that's a cute name. Can I hold her? Everybody, birdie. Be quiet. I'm gonna
Wait,
try to say
what else does
something.
she say? Okay, go.
I'm one of the new pets, and you are the sweetest bird. Mwah!
I'm one of the new pets, and you are the sweetest bird.
Aww.
All right, girls, this bird's cool, but there's better stuff than birds. There's dragons and unicorns, so let's get finding.
There's
Let's
still
go.
more birds.
Trin,
you
your
can
turn.
see look, you can see my fingers.
Trin?
It's translucent. Okay, let's go.
Okay, Trin. Here's the little button.
Where is Trin going?
Translucent, like loose tooth. Trin, nailed it. Trin, press the green.
Wait,
Trin,
what's
press
that?
the
How's
green.
that go again?
I can hear it. Oh, where?
Go find it.
I think it's coming from the kitchen.
Go find it. Come on.
Whoa, maybe this way we changed our minds.
Where are we going? Okay, Trin, go find it. Keep walking. Let's see who finds it first.
That's really close to us.
What?
I'm not finding nothing. Here, Trin, maybe try a different one. That one sounds like it's over here.
My bird
Let's go find
has
it.
a good plan. I think she hears it coming from the kitchen. I'm the playbird.
Where is it? Mom found it.
But there's no twin
Wait.
right here.
All right, girls. That means it's somewhere close. Where is it? Look everywhere around. It's in this room somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere in this room.
You guys, you say. Oh, cactus.
Oh, she's getting in the corners.
I don't see
You
her.
don't see nothing?
I see nothing. Ooh, we haven't looked in the drawers yet. Did you find it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
something.
What is that? Let me
Man.
see that thing.
She's a lighter.
Light up birds.
Look at her beautiful
Whoa.
wings.
Hey, that's rainbow glow.
Rainbow glow.
Oh wow, she's so pretty. Should we open her up, Trin?
No, let's find the rest.
All right, let's go.
My turn.
Okay, wait. Oh,
Massey gets push buttons.
okay, here we go.
All right.
Ready, do you want
Which one
to
did
say-
you find, Trin? The blue one? So
yeah.
now we still
I
have
think,
the
yeah.
Let's find the green. Okay, ready? All right. Oh,
Nope. Birdie, can you find it? My birdie knows where it is.
okay. Let's follow the birdie. Keep pushing it, Madison. It'll tell you
No,
where.
I'm the sweetest bird you have ever met.
Wait a minute.
Where do I hear it? Let me press that again.
I think it's over there.
No, I don't hear it. Calico critter, do you know? Mm-mm. Well, my calico critter doesn't know, so who hears it? Do I hear it? Let's go upstairs.
What is it gonna be? What are we gonna find? Jojo! Wait, push again.
Close.
Oh, it's hiding behind Jojo's closet.
But there's no toy yet.
Uh-oh, it's gotta be somewhere. It's gotta be somewhere. Find it.
Whoa,
What is it, Trin?
It's a dragon.
Dragon.
Let's look for the yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, wait.
Who,
Oh,
wait,
Mama's about to click it.
push that button.
No, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Can Mama do it?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Oh, that sounds really far away.
Oh, let's
Here,
go
I'll
find
let
it.
you hold it, Madison.
That purple one, Madison.
purple
We
one,
gotta find the
Madison.
purple.
I still can't hear it.
Can hear it.
It's really quiet. That means it's probably far away.
Man, Trent, is it outside?
No, let's look in the hallway.
Go find it.
Maybe. Wait, listen, click it.
Still can't hear
Maybe
it.
down here?
Yeah. Look.
Keep clicking that.
It's getting louder.
It's getting louder.
Press it again.
Is it
I
in there?
hear it.
No?
It's in Mama's dad's room.
Mom and Dad's
Wait a
room.
minute. I hear it. does it come from?
Where is it, girls?
Pipe? Is it in the pipe? Is it over here?
Is it in there? Is it in that drawer?
No.
No.
It's this
Click
stuff.
it,
Couple toys.
click it.
I hear it. It's up there.
Where is it?
How are we gonna get it?
What? It's way up there, Madison? I think Mom's tall enough. Mom, get it. Mom, get it. She can't get it, but this will be funny. Okay, Mom, jump.
Ready?
Okay. I don't know if you're making it up there, girls. How about I just go get the ladder?
There's a ladder.
Oh, hey. Oh, man, girls. Gonna get that.
I'll get you the unicorn.
Let's go up there and get it.
I don't want to. I do.
You don't want to?
I'll do it.
How I do it?
I want to do it.
Oh, uh-oh.
Yes.
Whoa, that was close. Sheesh, good thing I didn't let you girls go up there. Whoa, look at that guy.
Let's see what
Girl.
she does.
What's her name? Sparkles?
Sparkles.
Who else is named Sparkles?
My elf.
Your elf.
The purple elf.
Elf.
And Sparkles. And mine's the bubble gum.
That elf on the shelf?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Hey, she actually looks like bubble gum.
All right, well,
Man.
let's go and open these things the right way, okay?
Right here.
Let's go, let's
Yeah,
go.
right here.
Let's go.
Hey, what are those bags? Let's open them.
Well, look, it was supposed to look like this with all these different things in here. And there's these bags. You girls are supposed to take these bags and there's decorations so you can decorate the clouds and the rainbow. But we're doing this video backwards. First we found the toys, then we're gonna open the toys, and then we're gonna go ahead and decorate. So the girls are gonna go ahead and open the toys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let Mom help the girls with the toys, and I'm gonna go swim in the pool or something.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the next video ready for you guys. Tomorrow's video, it's gonna be us in the pool. Or we might have a guest. Oh, who's gonna be? All right, girls, open your toys. You guys, I started opening this thing and it's making noises. Okay, wait. Okay, there's one more piece of tape that we haven't taken off. Trin, you wanna take it off? Yes. Okay. Okay. Shh.
Listen.
Wait, we don't know what's happening. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Ah, it's jumping. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Look how cute that is.
Oh, can I hold it?
He turned. Come here. Oh, look at his wings.
Oh my gosh. That's adorable.
Oh my goodness. Trin, is that your new little pet?
Yeah.
Oh, look at him jump. Look at him jump.
Oh.
Hey guys.
He's so cute. What do you think, Madison?
Look at his little hops. He's trying to fly.
Yeah,
so
but I
cute.
can't.
Trin, you can hold your little dragon. Oh my
Try to put him
goodness.
on the head and like this.
Oh.
You can rock him.
Like a little baby.
He's so cute.
Oh. Don't let him fly away from you.
Wait, what in the world?
She makes noise, guys. And she has a crown too, see?
It's a unicorn horn.
Can you see the crown right there?
It's color changing.
Can you see the crown?
Yeah, I see the crown.
Let's feed her a cupcake. Press this button. You want it? Or no, you have to press the other button.
Oh my goodness.
You want to brush your hair? Guys, look, she's eating her cupcake. She's adorable. Ooh, want to comb her mane? Comb that beautiful mane.
Here's your other bird.
Hello, little birdie.
You can take it out, Trin. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Gosh, she's adorable. Go out of your shelter. Are you okay?
Give us a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. Love you guys. Tweet, tweet.
That Watch. They both have something to tell you. You go first. Press the button. So guys, this is what my bird says.
I loved your Hello Neighbor videos, and Madison, you're such a little sweetheart. I love you so much. And you are our best birdie, Little Live Pets.
That's so cute. What did your bird say? All right, this is what my bird says.
You are the best owner. I love all the care you've been doing for me.
That's so cute.
Alright guys, if you want to get any of these awesome new Little Life pets, the birds with the light up wings, unicorn, or the dragon, they will be in stores on August 1st. So go and check them out and get some. They're super awesome.
Guys, tell me in the comments if you like those guys over there, the Little Live Pets. Give a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.